Oyster. It has a rough shell. It makes pearls inside. It lives in shallow seabeds. Clam. It's round and has 2 shells. It hides in the sand. It opens to eat tiny plankton. Scallop. It can swim by clapping its shells. It has bright blue eyes. It lives near sandy reefs. Sea otter. It floats on its back. It uses rocks to open shells. It has soft, thick fur. Horseshoe crab. It looks like a helmet. It has blue blood. It's one of the oldest sea animals. Cutlass fish. It's long and silver. It shines like a sword. It hunts at night. Sea dragon. It looks like floating seaweed. It's related to the seahorse. It hides perfectly in kelp forests. Flying fish. It can jump out of water and glide. Its fins look like wings. It escapes from predators this way. Anchovy. It's tiny and shiny. It swims in big schools. Many bigger fish eat it. Sardine. It's small and silvery. It moves in giant groups. It's food for whales and dolphins. Tuna. It's large and fast. It travels across oceans. It's a strong swimmer with sleek fins. Mackerel. It's shiny with stripes. It swims near the surface. It loves cool, clean water. Cod. It's soft-bodied and spotted. It lives in cold seas. It's popular for food. Halibut. It's a flat fish with both eyes on one side. It hides on sandy bottoms. It grows very large. Flounder. It starts life with 2 eyes apart, but they move to one side. It blends into sand to hide. Grouper. It's thick and strong. It lives around rocks and coral. It can swallow fish. Pole snapper. It's colorful with a big mouth. It lives in warm waters. It loves to stay near reefs. Marlin. It has a long, pointed bill. It swims fast like lightning. It jumps high above waves. Turtle jellyfish. It's round and flat. It glows softly at night. It drifts near coral gardens. Sea lion. It's playful and loud. It barks like a dog. It loves sunbathing on rocks.